Another amazing Amazon sale is here, Prime Big Deal Days, and I'm breaking down my top 10 favorite. So this is essentially another Prime Day for Amazon, and the timing could not be better because it's a great sale to knock out a lot of your Christmas or holiday shopping with, maybe update your fall or winter wardrobe with, or just stock up on supplies or grab something you've been eyeing up at a better price. Everything will be linked in the description below that you see in this video, and it'll correspond with the number on the screen, but there is so much more. I am just scratching the surface. So at the links below in the description, there will also be categories and sale items pertaining to those. So check out that as well, and I will pin everything to the comment. Now, before I kick this off with number one, let me just say, keep in mind that deals are subject to change at any time, but hopefully when you are viewing this, everything is still on an amazing deal. So number one is one of the most popular things I have shared so far this year, and it's been a game changer in our household, and that is the Skylight calendar. This is actually a 3-in-1 calendar, chore chart, and a digital picture frame. So this works either through an app or you can type directly on it, and you can color coordinate by family members. So at a glance, it's easy to see who has what going on. You can view it either daily, weekly, or monthly. It has to-do lists and meal planning and grocery lists, and then there's chore charts per person, and then they can go in and check them off as they go. And then when not in use, it's a digital picture frame. And I love the app feature too, because then when you're out and about, if you need to add something to it, you can do that through the app and it'll show up on the calendar. So this has been so nice to have in our family, just to keep everybody up to date with who has what going on and keep us all a little more organized. Number two is one of my favorite cleaning products, and this would actually be a really good gift idea for teachers to use in the classroom, and that is Force of Nature. This is a kit. It comes with an electrolyzer and capsules, and in the capsules you have salt and vinegar. So you add water to the electrolyzer, pour in a capsule, electrolyze it. It takes about 8 to 9 minutes, and then you have a powerful natural cleaning solution that you can use all over your home, and it's also a disinfectant. And the beauty with this is, typically you hear about vinegar and how you don't want to use that on certain surfaces, but once the vinegar is electrolyzed in the electrolyzer, it changes the composition of it, so now you can use it on surfaces you typically can't use vinegar on. So that is a beautiful thing. This is a great multi-purpose cleaner that you can truly use all over your home. So it is a really great, affordable way to be able to get rid of a ton of other cleaners and narrow it down to one that can really do the majority of your cleaning around your home. Number three is a new favorite in vac mops, the Tinko Stretch S6. This one has a ton of features for the price, a lot of bang for your buck here, and it goes completely flat, so it's easier to get under furniture. This also has a great suction. It has the edge-to-edge brush roll where it's open on the side, so you can get right up to the wall and the baseboards. It has suction mode to clean up spills and leave your floor completely dry. The dirty water chamber separates out the big chunks from the liquids, which is really nice. It has about a 40-minute run time, and like most vac mops, it is self-cleaning, but this one will also dry the brush roll, which is a really nice feature. So if you've been looking to invest in a vac mop, I highly recommend this one. It is so good. Number four is always a highly anticipated deal during Prime Days, and that is the Ninja Creamy. I got mine back about a month before the July Prime Days, and we are obsessed. I use it a lot more than I expected to, and it's so easy, and I love that you can find so many recipes online, so you can make healthier versions. I love protein-packed ones, and I'm telling you, they taste just like really indulgent ice creams. It's incredible. So super easy. You just mix your ingredients together, freeze them. Once it's frozen, you pop it into the machine, hit the setting of what you're trying to make. You can do smoothie bowls, sorbet, milkshakes, ice cream, and gelato, I think is another one. And then you just pop it in there. It'll mix it all up. You can even add in mix-ins. It is so good. This would actually make a really good gift idea too. And while we're talking Ninja, number five, their 2-in-1 blender hand mixer system. I love this thing so much, mostly because now you no longer need a big bulky blender and a hand mixer. This does both jobs at once and takes up a lot less space. So you simply attach the immersion blender. It even comes with a canister that you can mix everything in and blend everything right in there. Whenever you're done, it's so much less mess. All you have to do is disconnect that immersion blender and then wash that, put the handle away, away, or you can toggle between different things in a recipe. So maybe you have to blend something, you put the immersion blender on and blend it, pop that off, put the hand mixer on, and use the beaters to mix something up that way. This is so good. I've had this now for a couple years and I use it over and over again. I can't even see myself ever owning an actual size blender because this one works so well. It takes up less space and is easier to clean. So I love this. Ninja comes out with such good products every time. Number 6 is one of my favorites for the home and travel, and this would actually be a really good gift idea as well. It's this garment steamer. I have tried so many steamers. Let me tell you, none of them have impressed me the way this one has. Everybody I know who owns this loves this one too. So this has several features I love. First of all, it heats up in 30 seconds, so it's really quick. I love that you can see the water in the tank in the back so you know when you're getting low. This works vertically and horizontally without leaking, which is nice. And then my favorite part is that you have to push a button for the steam to come out. It doesn't just puff steam continuously, which is nice because maybe you're not ready yet or you're trying to switch between garments, so it doesn't waste the steam, and then it works so quickly. In this video here, you see that shirt go from wrinkled to not wrinkled. That took less than 2 minutes, so it's nice and fast, which is important when you're trying to steam something last minute, and then it packs up easy for travel as well. So I absolutely love this one. It's super affordable. It's a great one to have on hand. Number 7 is another really good one for the home or travel, and that is this wireless printer by Canon. I had serious doubts when I got this, but it has really impressed me. I cannot see myself going back to a full-size printer now that I have this one. I love that it folds up so you can store it away when it's not in use. When you need it, you just take it out, plug it in. It connects to Wi-Fi quickly. You just load your paper, print, call it good, and then when you're done, you just fold it back up and put it away, or it would fit in a bag easily for travel. This would be a really good gift idea maybe for college students or just somebody else who doesn't have a lot of room for a big bulky printer sitting out. But I've been really impressed with this one. I love it. I'm so excited this is on deal. Number 8 is another cleaning favorite. That is the Shark robot. Now I have to say I've always had a love-hate relationship with robot vacuums because I feel like you have to babysit them, make sure there's nothing in the way. This one will detect when there's obstacles in its way and either stay away from them or maneuver around them. It can also lift itself onto carpet or lower back down onto hard floors. It can detect when there is a bigger mess that it needs to increase its suction for. And one of the coolest features is when it goes into a corner, if it senses there's dirt in there, it will blast air to push that dirt out into its path so that it can vacuum it up. And then once it's finished, it self-empties into its base, and that base holds the dirt for 30 days. So if you are looking to invest in a robot vacuum, I highly recommend this one. Speaking of cleaning, number 9 is this duster kit. I love having one of these on hand so that you can really dust your entire home top to bottom. It has a bunch of different attachments, so you can get everything from ceiling fans, door and window ledges, baseboards. It even has a skinny duster so you can get under low furniture or the refrigerator or washer or dryer. It has a handheld one so you can dust surfaces. This kit is so great for when you need to dust but you don't have a lot of time to do it thoroughly. You just walk around, knock out a ton of dusting with just this kit and maybe switching out the heads. And then the best part is when you're done, it's all machine washable, so easy to clean too. And lastly, number 10, one of my personal favorites, the Shark Stain Striker. This is one of the best carpeted upholstery cleaners on the market. It's gonna give you such peace of mind for new stains, old stains. You don't have to worry about them ever again. I truly think this will handle anything you throw at it. I have tested this on makeup, mustard, coffee, red wine, soda, pet messes. It has handled everything with ease and makes the surface look brand new again. And it's really easy to use. It's nice and portable and compact, easy to carry around. You can use this on carpets, upholstery, the interior of your car. If you have pets, kids, high traffic areas, trust me, this is worth every penny. You will absolutely love it. And yeah, just the peace of mind of knowing if you find an old stain or you have a new one, you're probably gonna be covered with this. It's so good. All right, and that does it. Hopefully you found some good deals. Again, this is just scratching the surface. These are just some of my favorites, but there is so much more on sale today and tomorrow, and I will be continuing to update my Amazon storefront. The link to that and everything seen here is in the description below, and everything is broken down by category, so to make it easier for you to shop. Let me know in the comments what you're shopping for, or maybe what great deals you scored. Hit the thumbs up button if this was helpful, and don't forget to subscribe for even more helpful home finds.